In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in iMessage on your iPhone, specifically with iOS 18, so let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Messages app on your iPhone. Once you're in, go ahead and start a new conversation, or if you already have one in mind, simply select an existing conversation. Now find the text box where you usually type your messages. Next to this box, you'll see a little plus icon. Tap on that and a menu will pop up with several options. At this point, you have a choice. You can either select an existing photo from your library or take a new one right then and there. So tap the option that suits you best, photo or take photo. Don't worry, you can even use a screenshot if that's handy for what you're planning to do today. Once you've got your photo ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll notice a little pen tip inside a circle. This is your markup icon, and this is where the fun part begins. Go ahead and tap the markup icon. You'll now find yourself in the markup editor. This area is where your creativity can really shine. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice a variety of drawing tools that you can use. You'll have options for different stroke styles like pen, highlighter, or pencil. These tools allow you to get the exact look you desire, whether you're going for a bold statement or something a little more subtle. Right next to these tools, you'll find a color selector. With this feature, you can choose from a wide array of colors to make your drawing pop the way you want it to. Don't hesitate to experiment with different colors and styles until you find what feels right. Now it's time to draw your doodle or create your design on the image. Let your imagination run wild and create something unique that adds a personalized touch to your message. Once you're content with your masterpiece, it's time to save your work. Simply tap on Save and then Done. These buttons are crucial because they ensure your drawing is stored and ready to be sent. Finally, you're at the last step and possibly the most rewarding. Hit that send button to share your creatively enhanced image with your contact. And there you have it. Drawing in iMessage on your iPhone is not only simple but also a great way to add a personal touch to your messages. Thanks for joining me today, and happy drawing.